That fateful day, the 1st of July, they'd nae idea how mony would die. Ulster's finest, row after row, out fae the trees, and onward they go. Lambs tae the slaughter, lions tae war, on they went, would they get very far? The guns they kept firing, the jerry bullets flew true, still they pushed on, to fin a way through. Thousands and thousands deed where they fell, would ony make it back, nobody could tell. As their leaders played wi' maps and toys, the fields lay covered wi' our boys. Out of breath, but still full of fight, they closed on their foe, up close and tight. When others couldna, they made it through. They took their redoubt, but could they howl it now? On their rein they held their ground, backs to the wall as the Hun circled round. Nae other option but to gie back what they'd won. Would the world ever know what they had just done? When the dust had settled what had been gained, thousands lay dead, thousands more maimed. Fearless in life, immortal in death, our heroes them all fought till their last breath. Ever a century later, as we look back, we see that guts or glory they didn't lack. A whole generation for their loss we mourn. It was on the 1st of July that their legend was born.